friends, this is Eigen Tech Buddies and you are watching Eigen Tech Buddies YouTube channel. So the South Central Railway recruiting candidates to fill their various vacancies as pharmacist, hospital attendant, nursing sister, specialist doctor and contract medical practitioners. So the candidates who are looking for railway jobs, for them this is a big opportunity. You can apply from your phone. For applying process and for knowing the eligibility criteria, please watch the video full. If you are seeing my channel at first time, don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notifications on your phone. So the South Central Railway recruiting candidates to fill their various vacancies. So total 42 vacancies are there. The salary is starting from 21,490 rupees up to 95,000. So the last date for application is 28th August 2020. So we can check each post in detail. First one is specialist doctor. One vacancy is there. The salary is 95,000 rupees. The qualification needed for the post is MBBS degree and PG or diploma in general medicine or pulmonary medicine or chest medicine from any university or institution recognized by Indian Medical Council. The age limit is up to 53 years old. Then contract medical practitioner. Number of vacancies, 8 vacancies are there. The salary is up to 75,000 rupees per month. The qualification needed for the post is MBBS degree with completion of internship from any university or institution recognized by Indian Medical Council. The age limit is up to 53 years old and not below 18 years old. In case of retired railway or government doctors, not exceeding the age of 67 years old. Nursing sisters, the total 16 vacancies are there. The salary is 59,439 rupees per month. The qualification needed for the post is certificate as registered nurse and midwife having 3 years of course in general nursing and midwifery from a school of nursing or any other institutions. Or BSc nursing candidates can also apply for the job. There is no experience needed for the job. Age limit is not below 18 years old. Then pharmacist, one vacancy is there. Salary is up to 40,470 rupees. The qualification needed for the post is +2 in science or its equivalent with diploma in pharmacy from recognized institution or bachelor's degree in pharmacy. The age limit is not below 18 years old. Hospital attendant, 16 vacancies are there. The salary is 21,419 rupees. The qualification needed for the post is 10th pass or ITI from a recognized board or institution. The age limit is not below 18 years old. So how to apply? The eligible candidates are advised to email the scanned copies of prescribed application along with required documents on age proof, educational qualification, experience in PDF format in bunch of following corresponding IDs before 28th August 2020. So these are the email IDs. For specialist doctor, you can apply in this mail ID and contract medical practitioner, nursing sister, pharmacist and hospital attendant. So you can apply in these email IDs in various posts for various posts. Then mode of interview, the interview will be online on a telephonic interview. The date and time for the same will be communicated to eligible candidates. So the candidates, please note that the candidates are advised to keep their personal mobile number and personal valid email ID active throughout the engagement of contact process as a communication. That is, further communication will be sent through email. So about the experience, candidate applying for the post of hospital attendant should possess experience of working at least for 1 year in a medical facility having at least 20 bed indoor facilities. So the selected candidates fulfilling the above condition will be called for a recorded telephonic or online video conference call interview as per the interview schedule communicated to them. So this is the prescribed application form. The link is given in the box. You can download it and fill the form and scan code along with the certificate sent to the prescribed email IDs. And you can also apply through the Google form. So this is the Google form format. You can check it out. The Google format link also given in the description box. So after you filling out the official Google form, you can submit it. The eligible candidates who are looking for railway jobs can apply for the job. This is the best opportunity for the candidates who are looking for railway jobs. If you are interested, you can apply for the job before 28th August 2020. Your relatives or friends are eligible for this job or they are interested in working in railway. You can share with them also. The official notification and the prescribed format and the Google form link is given in the description box. You can check it out. If you have any doubts regarding the job, you can comment on my comment box or you can message me on my Instagram ID IGEN Techies. Thank you for watching my video.